I figure it's about time for an update video. So I have some of the corner posts and most of the T-posts up for the fencing. I have my corn patch growing here. You could see the Oro Blanco are doing really nice. Well, not so much this one. Having trouble with insects, but that's okay. I planted a whole bunch of new trees. Like here's a row of pears and, well, 2 pears, 2 peaches. And then I have plum. I just planted this yesterday, so I don't know if it's gonna make it. It looks like it might make it. It's a pomegranate. Another plum. Another pomegranate here. This one looks more promising. And a total of 7 mulberry trees. Reason I went with mulberries is because they grow very, very well around here. The leaf can be eaten by the goats and just about any livestock that'll eat it. And it's high in nutrition, grows rapidly, and that is key here because we are trying to get a lot of shade. Because as you can see, everything is dead now. It's not super hot. Hasn't got hot this year yet. And you can see down there on the creek, still kind of green. That's not normal. This was a very wet year. We had a lot of weeds grow in, a lot of grass grow, but I had to unfortunately knock it all down. I didn't get the fence up in time. I got most of the fence up, but you know, none of the actual fencing to make paddocks or anything like that. So it was my fault. I didn't get it up in time, and the fencing up in time, and that ended up biting me in the ass because now all this forage has gone dry and a lot of it is foxtail. I'd say about up here on the top it's about 90% foxtail, and down there it's there's some brome. It's mainly all just weeds. Like you can see right there, there's some brome grass. There is a hell of a lot of oh man, what's it called? Let's see if I can zoom in. I could remember. It's not good at all. Yeah. Cocklebur. Extremely toxic. Extremely toxic to all livestock, especially cattle and pigs. Not much I could do about it now, but mow it. And when I mean mow it, is I gotta go down there with a darn weed eater and mow it that way. I do not own a lawn tractor. I do not own a tractor. I'm very, very new to all of this. I mean, I've raised a lot of animals for food for a long time, but an actual piece of property to maintain and call my own, I am new. This is my first time, and equipment is very expensive, so that won't come for a while. Maybe next year I'll get like a lawn tractor or something, and I'll go ahead and get all the top. I've been getting some of the areas leveled out here so I could mow easily up here, but there is zero access down in the creek. You can't get down there unless you're on foot. I mean, heck, if I push a wheelbarrow down there, as I tried, it's very hard getting the wheelbarrow down there and much harder getting it back up. It's almost impossible. The terrain is just too steep. I need to get a bobcat or something and make an access point in either end, you know, somewhere down there and somewhere on this side by the house. But anyway, just thought I'd give a quick update. We got the fence going up, hopefully within the next 2 weeks, and we shall get it done. Thanks for watching.